Alright, so welcome back, guys. And today I wanted to review the Zoom H1n, and it's a great mic for everything like film, podcasts, broadcasting, and other stuff you want to film. Okay, so it's basically a portable mic that you could carry around and connect to other devices, but the main feature is it can connect to a lavalier mic and also record right off of the body itself. So the features are an X and Y mic design that captures perfect stereo sound, and it records up to 24-bit 96 kilohertz wave format, and it has a 1.25-inch monochrome LCD display to control all the features you need when you're not really connected to any device. And it has one-touch button controls, a limiter and auto level switches. It includes a slate tone generator for DSLR video. So if you guys are filming out there, this would be perfect for you guys. And there's also a USB function for PC, Mac, or iOS device. And it's designed to handle up to 120 decibels of SPL noise. And it records on a micro SD or micro SDHC cards up to 32 gigabytes, 10 hours of operation on 2 AAA batteries. So before, in the last generation, it was just one AA battery. Now it's 2 AAA, and in the box it includes the H1n recorder, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick guide. Let's start the unboxing. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. So straight out of the box, you'll find some paperwork for all the customer information and a start guide. So move that to the side. And there's your 2 AAA batteries right here, and your H1n recorder. Alright, that's on the box. So, alright, so inside here, we will get our H1n. And it's fairly small. I was expecting it to be bigger than it actually is. And it has a nice switch over here. And it has multiple buttons and a recording button, a line out, 2 volume buttons for if you wanted to connect headsets to monitor your recording, and there's a line in, so you could put in a lavalier mic, and it has a micro SD card reader right there, and there's also a delete button, and if you wanted to connect to USB, you would put a micro USB connector right here. And also, if you don't have a headset, then you could use the built-in speakers over there, so you could hear your recordings. Alright, so I'll come back next week and I'll tell you guys what I think of this and the review.